pretty simple. Amazon wants you to solicit a honest review. That's a key word here. An honest review from the people that buy your product. Amazon wants you to do that because that's how the platform is built. It's built around social proof. It's one of the most important things about the platform, and we know that's the case because they include it right here on this very, very valuable real estate. Social proof is really important. Reviews are social proof, therefore Amazon loves them. But the word honest is the important factor of those reviews. So what Amazon will not let you do is incentivize a review. That is where you offer some sort of compensation for giving you what would arguably be a positive review, because there's a tacit understanding that if you give something to somebody in exchange for a review, then the review will probably be positive as a result of that. And that happened for ages. So Amazon wants you to get reviews. Amazon encourages you to get reviews. Amazon will not let you incentivize reviews. So if I give you $50, will you review my product for me? Will not let you do that. If I give you my product for free, will you give me a review? Will not let you do that. If I give you a discount, will you review my product? It will not let you do that. That's all examples of incentivization. However, if I said to you, hey, would you like 20% off my product? Awesome. Go buy my product, and you do. And then I say to you, thanks for buying my product. Would you leave me a review? If you enjoyed it, would you leave me a review? That's different. I haven't incentivized you for the review. I incentivized you previously to asking you for the review. And it's a subtle but important distinction. And that's A-OK. So the strategy that I lay out for you getting reviewers, I think in module number 5 or 6, is the one you should follow. It works really, really well. Keep in mind, this is important, that you want to make sure the people who you are asking for reviews can actually leave a review. You must have spent over $50 on Amazon.com, for instance. You must have spent over $50 on Amazon.com to be able to leave a review. Same for Australia. If you want to leave a review on Amazon.com.au, you must have spent over $50 Australian on Amazon.com.au before you can leave a review. That's important, and that ought to play a consideration in your review strategy to only be asking reviews from people who've actually spent enough money to be able to leave you one. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.